What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got a case video. Shout out to the good folks over at UAG. Today we got something special. We got the Pathfinder from UAG for the iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, this is an iPhone 15 Pro case video. Let's just take a look at the packaging, guys. UAG been making dope cases for a long time, and you've seen them all over my channel for years. As you can see, 18 feet of drop protection, built-in magnet for the MagSafe. Y'all see the MagSafe. This is the clear version of the Pathfinder here, so very dope stuff here. Recycled materials. You know, all these companies are trying to become more carbon neutral, and you know, we got to protect the planet. So that's definitely dope. I like how they doing that. As you can see, typical UAG branding on here. Check out the back, UAG Pathfinder, and they just talk about this tough featherweight UAG drop protection, featherweight composite construction, built-in magnet for the MagSafe, enhanced corner protection, tactile grip, and it's recyclable, just like they said on the front. So let's get this case out and check it out, man, because I love this UAG stuff. One thing that's dope about UAG, all you have to do is lift up. This is the easiest unboxing on earth. I hate when companies make the unboxing too hard and too difficult. This is a nice clean unboxing, but here we go, guys. As you can see, we got this nice UAG case, nice super clear colorway, but it's like a mix of clear and frost. And we got this MagSafe, as you can see, cutout going on with the MagSafe shape. I like how they do that, letting you know this case got MagSafe. Very dope stuff here, man. And this is a very protective, clear case. If you want a clear case, you want to show off the color of your iPhone, but still have some protection, this is one of those cases right here. So as you can see, we got a raised lip for the camera. We got makeshift torques on the back. These cases are very like unique, cool, utilitarian. I like that about them. Nice slits in the button press. You can see nice slits in the button press with those symbols. I like that. Now they did something different with the cutout here for the new action button. What they did is they put a hole, but they actually got like more of a cutout for your action button. We're gonna see how that works out. We're gonna take a look at that. We got grips on the side. Grip is a big part of drop protection. Grip will stop you from dropping your case in the first place, and these grips are nice and raised up. I like how everything on these cases is 3D, bulky, good build, and I mean they last forever, guys. I got old UAG cases from phones from years ago that's still sitting around and still look decent enough to throw them on the phone. As you can see on the side, nice big power button protruding out with the same grips on this side also. So yeah, this is one of those protective cases, guys. I like when you get a lot of protection and not a lot of bulk factor. Now, if you look at the corners, they are nice and bolstered up. They're gonna take the impact. A lot of times when you drop your phone, it's dropped on the corner and you get impacts on the corner, but they got like an air cushion type technology going on, nice and bolstered up. That's gonna take that drop. And we got some nice big cutouts on the bottom for the Type-C and the speakers. So first and foremost, guys, this just looks dope on the device. It's gonna look dope on your iPhone. Look at that, showing off the colorway, and you still got that nice UAG branding, nice rugged look here, guys. Definitely, I like the little torques. I like the frosted mixed with the clear. Everything, the designer aesthetic is so dope, and just as, like I said, like utilitarian type way. So you can see nice and raised up around the cameras for that protection. We also have, now at first I was a little shaky about the cutout for the action button, but they actually put more space there. So me, even my big thumb, I have big hands, I have huge big ashy hands, and look, right in there for the action button. But I would have liked it if they put like a button here and then put like that orange mark on there, like put an orange little marcation on there. I've seen another case company do that. That was dope also. As I said, nice button press, nice, rugged, and protective. When you look at the front now, guys, when you're looking at the front, what you see is you're going to actually get a nice amount of raised lip also. That's one of the most important things when it comes to a case protecting your device. You want a nice raised lip all around, because that raised lips means that when you drop it on a flat surface, that the case is going to take the impact still. So it might save you from a cracked or shattered screen. But shout out to UAG. This is the Pathfinder clear colorway with MagSafe. Very protective, very dope. Appreciate them for sending this out. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're watching, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.